Hello everyone, I am Pranav Pant. Welcome to Gradeup. I have Jayesh Choudhary in front of me, and he has done exceedingly well in CAT 2020 with a 99.1 percentile. And not only this, he also cracked ZAD with a decent percentile. So, welcome Jayesh to the show. Uh, Please tell something about yourself.
Sir, I am Jayesh Choudhary from Purai, Madhya Pradesh, and I have pursued my BBA bachelor's from Indore, and I am currently in Indore, and I have done great in CAT and some other entrance exams.
Okay, so Jayesh, why do you want to pursue an MBA?
Sir, I chose the MBA as a career because this is something which I thought of from beginning. Like I wanted to develop skills which will help me to become achieve my goal of becoming an entrepreneur, and this MBA curriculum will help extensively in building network with other people, and it will create a lot of opportunities for me in future.
Okay, so all the best to your upcoming interviews and the further process. Okay, so Jayesh, when did you start your preparation?
Sir, I started my preparation around January 2020, and with time at June or July, I extensively started my preparation well.
Okay, so that's a perfect time, I would say, to start the preparation because it does need like 5-6 months to cover the basics and then go for an extensive preparation. So that's that you started at the right time, I would say. So Jayesh, can you tell us something about your CAT preparation journey? What was your favorite subject? In which subject you had difficulty?
Sir, I faced the difficulty in starting in VARC when I was giving mock. I was not scoring great in VARC, but with time I increased my accuracy and attempts, and with time it was fine.
Okay, and what was your favorite subject?
Sir, my favorite subject was DILR. I was scoring great in the start up till the end, and it was something I love about. Like I used to solve many puzzles. Like I used to solve around 10 puzzles a day.
Okay, so that's great. It means you were well prepared with the DLR section, and
Yes, sir.
initially you had difficulty in VARC section, but you overcame it with regular practice. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
midway your CAT preparation journey around August, September, you got to know that the CAT pattern is going to change. Right, so it from 3 hours paper to it turned out to be a 2 hour paper. So, how did it impact your preparation?
Sir, like I believe when your concepts are done clear well, then nothing can stop you. So it was changed, and it was changed for everyone, not like it was changed for me alone. So I was fine with it. I gave 2-3 extra mocks in just after the change in pattern for within a week. So gauge about the new pattern, then it was fine. Like it doesn't change. It doesn't create a change a lot.
Yeah, I agree that see, if the pattern changes for all. So students should not worry that this is a new pattern or not. If, as you rightly said, your concepts were clear, you had solid basics covered of all these subjects, so that should not have impacted you. What was your preparation strategy during the last 20 days? Since you said you were in the final year of your college, and how did you balance your studies along with your CAT preparation?
Sir, in the last 20 days of preparation, I somehow managed it. Like my exams were done for the sixth semester, and then the last 20 days came for the exam for the CAT. So I revised all my topics from basics, and I have gone through the main puzzles which were in the test section. And for maths, I have revised every separate topic day by day. And for English part, I do not done something extensively. I just focused on some RC passages which were something where I have negative marks, or where the questions were getting too wrong. So I managed somehow this.
Okay, so extensive revision just before the examination. All right, so now talking about the D-Day, it was your first attempt, you are a fresher. So were you under any pressure on the day of the examination, or were you calm and composed? I'm sure you were calm and composed, that's why you came out with flying colors in the examination.
Yes, definitely I was calm and composed, but like we have something at the bottleneck, or we somehow think like what will happen. So the day was fine. I went there at the center, and VRC was the first section which went smoothly. Like I attempted 16-17 questions, not a lot, but this was my fair bit for VRC section. And then came the DILR, which was my forte, but it somehow doesn't went that well. Like I attempted only 10 questions, but somehow that 10 questions were all correct. So I managed good percentile and DILR. And maths, at maths I was fine. I attempted 16-17 questions with high accuracy, so it went all that great.
Okay, so just that the section you were weak at, you managed to do well. And the section which was your forte, it did not go as per your expectation, but overall you were satisfied that you got a decent score. And
definitely, sir.
Yeah, so that's what it happens. It happens that you are strong at one of the subjects, and then you are unable to do well on the examination day. But if all is well, that ends well, right? Okay, so how did Gradeup help in your preparation?
Sir, like I was the first batch student in Gradeup, so I started the preparation in the early, like in May something, and it went great. And like ma'am used to talk English, you used to talk DILR, so DILR and English was that like it was going great. And with time and with putting extra efforts, it was all fine. Like Gradeup helped me to put extra efforts, and ultimately it led to like 99%.
Okay, so did you take mocks regularly? How were the mocks? How did you find the content of the mocks, etc.?
Yeah, sir. Sir, I took every mock, and it was fine. It was definitely great. It helped me to gauge every type of question which could come in the exam, like from easy one, from tough one, from mediocre, everything.
Okay, so what feature of Gradeup did you like the most? What about Gradeup you liked the most?
There are many features like live interaction and doubt. Like there are many sections. Like we can say doubt clearing session, and we can go for like live watching, live interaction. We can ask a question on time on a screen, and we can post our doubt later on also, and the teacher will revert you. These were the features which I liked the most.
Okay, so you enjoyed preparing with Gradeup, and it helped you to do well in CAT. And we wish you all the best for the later stage as well. Yes, so Jayesh, some piece of advice for future aspirants.
Sir, only one piece of advice I would like to say, that prepare on time, prepare extensively, and do well. When the exam comes, be calm and composed.
Okay, so yes, that's very important that people keep asking when to start. So if you start on time, you have enough time to improve upon your weaknesses. You can have enough of your practice, and definitely you will do well in the examination. Okay, so thank you, Jayesh, for being with us and telling about your success story. We wish you all the best for your upcoming interviews. Right, I hope you get into your dream B school. Right?
Thank you.
Okay, so thanks. This was Jayesh with us, and we wish him a better future ahead.